So the goal of CampBioE is really to expose young scholars to the wonders of science, technology, engineering, and math. And by doing this, we hope that we can eventually inspire the next generation of, say, engineers or STEM professionals.
The reason that I went into engineering when I was younger are because of these camps. I did a lot of these camps when I was younger.
I probably did my first STEM camp going into middle school, so then that camp was really the first time I was able to have fun while still learning, and I think that's what really sparked my interest.
Science, mathematics, sometimes it's like very mentally challenging and difficult to grasp growing up. So if we can kind of introduce it as a fun concept and idea, then they'll think, oh, science is fun, and then they'll put more effort into STEM.
There's so many different courses that these kids can take in high school now, and so if we can get them into STEM earlier, that might help them decide what classes they might want to take or take later, and then they can go into college or wherever they choose better prepared for a career in STEM.
CampBioE has been around for a while. It's one of the signature projects or outreach projects within the Department of Bioengineering. We started out mainly with middle and high school students, and this past couple of years we've actually added on elementary school kids, so 2nd through 5th graders. So now camp exposes scholars not only from 2nd grade all the way up to 12th grade.
Well, there's something for everyone. I really like the activities. They're activities that you won't necessarily be able to do in the classroom.
The activities are most of the time like really hands-on, and everything seems really interactive, and it's really fun in general.
I like experiencing like what I've never done, like new things. Science and stuff is not like really my thing, so I'm trying to like get to know that more before school starts.
In my future, I kind of want to be an engineer, and I don't have much of a background, so I thought the camp would help me to get more of a background.
Where students go from, I can't do this, and they get frustrated, sometimes even cry, to actually excelling, and it's a great feeling and thing to see. I think it's really effective to get them interested early because a lot of students are already interested in STEM and they may not realize it. If we can show them that STEM is exciting, show them fun ways that you can engage in STEM, we hope to continue that excitement throughout 2nd grade all the way up to college.